I'm going to show you a little bit about the intuitive search and reporting interface of index engines. There are a couple of ways to cull down and narrow down your data sets. So after you index, one of the first and common ways is by location. So you can narrow down your search and further cull by location. So just by easily navigating and expanding these pluses here, I can go and further cull my data set based off a specific target location and then run searching and reporting on that location. Another way is by going to our filters tab. Here you can search on content. Content is your Boolean type search operators, your ands, your ors, your nots, your proximities. File level metadata, these are going to be your file names, your MD5 hash, owner names, file create date, modified date, access date. Document level properties, so this is the properties of, let's say, an Excel file, who the author is of that file, what the title is, when that file was last modified. And then you have your email properties. These are your standard, your to, your from, your CC, your subject, all different properties associated with email metadata. So going a little into the file level properties, we categorize here to help the user in a wizard type format. And again, most of our users are running their searching and getting the reports they need within minutes with little to no training on the product by using some of our filters here. So if I'm looking at the file type filter, I can scroll down and let's say I want to look at documents. Just by going and selecting, let's say, the Word document, I could then go and run my search and just look for all Word documents. Very easy, very intuitive, and with little to no training. So I'm going to run a search here for all of my documents, going over to our summary reports, and this is where I'm going to show you the interactive culling. And this is a great way to getting to the responsive data set that you're looking for. So here I have a file types report that I'm looking at. Here's all the different document types. I'm going to switch to my responsive mode, and let's just say I want to look at Word documents. Word and let's say PDF. I'm going to select those two characteristics here. I'm going to update my search. It's going to further cull down into those data sets. I see here the breakdown of Word to PDF documents. I'm going to further cull now. Let's say I want to look further into that Microsoft Doc extension. Update my report again. I can now then switch over and cull different summary reports here. So if I go to the owner summary report, let's say I want to just look at Donald Duck and Bart Simpson's data sets. I could then run the search again. And now let's say I want to look at our age report here, going to modify times. And I just want to look at this old data. I'm going to hit search again. And then let's say I want to narrow it even further by size. So I'm going here from file type to owner to file size. And let's say I want to just select this one category here of 8 megabytes to 16 megabytes. Further cull. And now I go to my results set. And this is that narrowed down results set as a result of all my interactive culling.